We all love CheckMate reporting whiskers as they show us the entire part's color-coded deviation directions and magnitudes in just a glance. Well, Origin has enhanced the whisker reports with even more visual options. In the whisker type selection box, there are 4 report types that have a question mark beside them: point at limit, point at nominal, point at actual, and point at actual scale factor of 1. Let's select point at nominal with the question mark and see what happens. The first couple questions are the standard questions you've seen before, but now we have an option to select the point style: cross, box, circle, or combinations box plus cross and circle plus cross. Let's go ahead and select box. Ah, nice. Let's do a point at nominal report again, but this time the point style will be a circle. Okay, one last time. Let's do a point at nominal report again, but this time the point style will be box plus cross. Thanks for watching and have a great day.